I hope that at some point in time that I am not, that the color of my skin doesn't matter. People will see me for who I am, and the work that I do will mean more than where I come from, what my background is. I hope that my children can grow up in a world where they don't have to fear for their lives just because of something they can't control, their race. I hope we get into a place not just in society but also within our corporations, our businesses, where those that are in power are not threatened by the least of us, if you will, and learn to embrace the differences and embrace the different backgrounds and thoughts and understand the power that it brings. I hope for a lot. I really and truly just hope for peace of mind, not just in terms of race, but of people, like where people see one another as human beings, because ultimately that's what this is about, right? We are human beings, and for some reason we lose sight of that. So ultimately, that is my hope.